Have you ever wondered why some online service providers seem to charge more, yet their clients keep coming back for more? In 2026, the traditional hourly rate will become obsolete. Instead, savvy entrepreneurs are focusing on pricing strategies that truly reflect the value they bring. So, how can you price your services for maximum profit in today's fast-paced, AI-driven world? In this video, we'll dive into 5 smart ways to price your online services for more profit without getting stuck in outdated pricing models. Let's explore these strategies that will not only help you boost your revenue, but also align with the expectations of today's digital clients. 1. Performance-based kicker pricing. In 2026, businesses are becoming more cautious about paying upfront for services that don't guarantee results. This is where performance-based pricing comes into play. Instead of charging a flat fee for your work, you can offer a lower base retainer, plus a performance kicker, a percentage of the revenue you generate or the leads you convert. For example, let's say you're setting up an automated email funnel for a client. You might charge them a $2,000 setup fee, but you also add 5% of all sales generated by the funnel. This means you're not just getting paid for your time, but you're directly tying your earnings to the success of your work. The benefit for the client? They're only paying for results, which makes it a no-risk, high-reward situation for them. This model works wonders because it aligns your incentives with your clients, motivating both of you to work together to achieve maximum success. The more you generate, the more you earn. It's a win-win. 2. The AI Speed Premium Rush Pricing. With AI becoming the baseline for speed and efficiency, expectations have skyrocketed. Clients now expect faster results, and if you can meet those expectations, you can charge a premium for your services. Let's talk about rush pricing. This model capitalizes on the need for speed. If you can deliver high-quality, human-vetted work in under 24 hours using AI workflows, you can charge a significant markup. For example, you might offer a standard 3-day turnaround for $500, but if you deliver the same work in just 6 hours, you can charge up to $950. Speed has become a luxury. By offering this express service, you're catering to clients who need things done in a hurry, and they're willing to pay extra for it. The best part is that you're still able to leverage AI to deliver quality at lightning speed, so you're working smarter, not harder. AI allows you to increase your productivity while maintaining high-quality standards. The fact that you can deliver results faster makes you more valuable to time-sensitive clients. If you can execute tasks that once took days in just hours, you're no longer selling time. You're selling time efficiency, which is a premium service that clients are happy to pay for. Rush pricing allows you to cater to a wide range of clients, those who need quality work quickly, and those who aren't in a rush but still want fast results when necessary. Offering this service ensures that no opportunity is missed. For those clients who are willing to pay more for urgency, you're capitalizing on the high demand for efficiency in today's market. 3. Tiered access modeling, the hybrid strategy. One-size-fits-all pricing doesn't work in today's economy. Clients have different needs and budgets, so why not offer multiple tiers of service? This is where the tiered access model comes in. It's all about offering varying levels of your expertise to accommodate all types of clients while still maximizing your revenue. Think about it. Instead of doing everything for everyone, you offer different levels of service that cater to different budget levels. For instance, at the lowest level, you might have a $49 DIY guide, followed by a $500 monthly office hours community where you offer group consulting. And for clients who need more personalized services, you can offer a $5,000 done-for-you implementation package. This model is great because it ensures that no lead goes to waste. Even if someone can't afford your premium offering, they might still purchase your lower-tier products. Over time, these customers may upgrade to higher-tier offerings as they see the value you provide. The key to this model is the value ladder. You start small and then gradually move your clients up to higher-priced, more personalized services. Tiered pricing is a smart way to address different client budgets and needs. It also helps you attract clients from various backgrounds, whether they're just starting and looking for a budget-friendly option or seasoned businesses seeking premium services. This model helps you maximize the number of potential clients while ensuring that each one pays what they can afford based on their needs. Moreover, the tiered access model establishes a sense of exclusivity. As clients step up the ladder, they feel they are receiving more personalized, higher-quality service. This model also helps you increase customer retention by consistently offering something new or valuable at each level, keeping clients engaged with your offerings. 4. Subscription-based capacity credits. Subscription-based models are huge in 2026, especially for services. Instead of charging clients per project, why not offer them a subscription that they can redeem for specific tasks? This model allows you to build predictable, recurring revenue and reduces the stress of constantly hunting for new clients. You could offer credits that clients can use for specific tasks, whether it's design work, coding, or consulting. For instance, a client could pay $1,500 per month for credit units, where one unit might cover a landing page design and another might cover blog audits. The beauty of this model is its consistency. Clients are locked into paying you monthly, and they can use their credits whenever they need to. This ensures you have a steady stream of income without constantly pitching new clients. It's a fantastic way to turn your services into a utility, where clients view you as an ongoing resource rather than a one-time service provider. Subscription-based models are particularly beneficial in 2026 as businesses increasingly seek stability. This pricing structure also allows clients to better manage their budgets because they know exactly how much they will be paying each month for your services. It builds long-term relationships by creating predictable recurring revenue for you and predictable costs for your clients. Additionally, offering capacity credits allows you to optimize your time and resources. When you have a set number of credits to deliver each month, you can plan your workflow more efficiently, ensuring that you're consistently delivering value while managing your capacity. 5. Licensing your methodology. Do you have a proven workflow, template, or AI tool that gets amazing results? Instead of using it only for your own clients, why not rent it out? Licensing your methodology can be a high-margin, low-effort way to generate income without any fulfillment labor on your part. Imagine you've developed a custom AI customer service bot template or an internal workflow that helps businesses streamline their operations. You could license this methodology to other agencies, freelancers, or businesses for a monthly fee. Let's say you charge 5 smaller agencies $300 per month each to use your bot template. That's $1,500 per month with very little ongoing work for you. Licensing your methodology is an incredible way to earn passive income, especially when your tools or workflows are already proven to deliver results. Once they're developed, you can scale this income stream with little to no additional effort on your part. Plus, it allows other businesses to benefit from your expertise, creating a strong network effect. By licensing your methodology, you're creating a high-margin product that requires minimal upkeep. After the initial development of your system, whether it's an AI tool, a workflow, or a template, the ongoing costs are minimal. This is one of the most scalable ways to monetize your knowledge and tools, allowing you to generate income from multiple sources without additional labor. The great thing about licensing is that it's not limited to your immediate clients. Once your methodology is out there, you can license it to businesses worldwide, significantly expanding your reach and revenue potential. There you have it, the top 5 smart ways to price your online services for more profit in 2026. From performance-based pricing to licensing your unique methodology, these strategies are designed to help you price your services based on value, speed, and access, ensuring maximum profit for your efforts. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on improving your business. Let me know in the comments which pricing strategy you're going to implement first, and I'll see you in the next video.